Welcome to this video. Today, I'll show you how to change your name on the LinkedIn app using your phone. Many people want to update their profile name after a job change, a spelling correction, or a rebrand. First, open the LinkedIn app on your phone. Then, tap on your profile icon located at the top left. Next, scroll down and select Settings. Once you're in the Settings menu, tap on Account Preferences. After that, choose the option called Name, Location, Industry. Here, you'll see fields for your first name and last name. Type in your new name exactly as you'd like it to appear on your LinkedIn profile. Finally, click on Save to confirm your changes. Your LinkedIn profile will now display your new name instantly, and it will be visible to your connections and recruiters. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like the video, and share it with others. Thanks for watching.